Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture of W651 Digital Circuit Design Laboratory. So till now what you have learned that how to start Cadence Virtuoso and how to make library, how to create new cells and how to design our new circuits. So you have taken an example of CMOS inverter. For a single CMOS inverter you have draw a schematic diagram and perform some analysis, DC analysis, power calculation, and you also have drawn the layout. Today we will go to the next circuit. The next circuit is 60 SRAM. So all you have learned about the what is 60 SRAM, how does it work. So let's start. So first we have to create a new cell view. In a we will create the 60 SRAM cell view in same library. So first go new, then cell view, then cell view name is 60 underscore SRAM. So this is the type of schematic. Okay, so we will get a new value. So let's draw the schematic. So for schematic diagram we require two inverter. So there is a first option that we can draw an inverter by placing instance. This is the PMOS. So here is the inverter. So this is our one inverter. Now we have to make another inverter, so we will just select this part and we will press C for copy it and select this circuit, then drag to another place. Now this is copied and now we have to flip this part. So for flipping we will go here and then flip horizontally and then click on this, so it will get flipped. Now we have to connect both the VDDs and both the ground. Now this is not aligned, so we can select this part, then press M for move, so we can slightly, so it will be aligned on both the terminals, so VDD and ground. Okay, so now we have to rotate this. For rotation we will go there, then rotate left, then this, then now we have to rotate, sorry, vertically, then this. Now same circuit we will copy and place it here, then place it here. Now make the connection. This is connected to this is connected to here, and here, and body is connected to ground. Now this is our circuit is complete. Now we have to place the pins. So there are mainly WL, VDD, ground, BL, BLB, Q and QB. So there is a direction option. So mainly there are three types of pins used, that is input, output and input output. So it's up to your choice that you can place input for input type and output output, but I will prefer that I will use input output so that there is no problem at which point we have to select. Then first VDD, WL, VDD. Okay, sorry, I think something went wrong. WL, VDD, ground, BL, B, LB, Q, QB, BL, ground, BL, BLB, Q, QB. Okay, so just we forgot to make the connection that this is connected to this and this is connected to this. So this is our complete. Now as you know that this is our, I think, Zoom version, and now we have to Yeah, because sometimes we scroll up and down or we forget that there is also press F. That press F means fit to screen. So wherever our design is, it will fit on the screen. So there is shortcut F. So now our design is completed. So check and save.